What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to choose which apps are allowed to send you notifications in the secure folder in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings and then click on secure folder. Now in secure folder, click on notifications and first of all turn off hide content button and then tap on app notifications. So from here you can choose which apps are allowed to send you notifications in the secure folder. So if you don't want to allow the app to send notification in the secure folder, then turn off its respective button, and to choose or allow app to send you notification in the secure folder, turn on its respective button. So with these buttons you can choose apps to allow to send you notifications in the secure folder in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.